Hi guys, I've been mute for a lot of time. Sorry. I'm working at this new way to create ghosts and other things inside our lens flares in Flared2. Now you can't do this in Flared2 because I'm using a new generator that it's useful for make everything in my mind, and I hope it will work for this purpose. Now I've integrated it into Flare, but just to make a try for me if it works, and it works. And so the sunbeams and the starburst are now made with Flare, as you already know. Every other thing, so the streak, this hoop, and the ghosts, and this other lens effect are made with the new generator. That is crazy because it seems that simulates something more realistic. It's not a PBR. It's not physics here, but there is this sort of lens simulation that distorts everything into something that's it's similar to a lens. So I have to improve it. It's not perfect now, but I like it very much. As you see, there are another big lens there because everything is distorted as if it was into a lens, and you have a lot of control on it. There are the classical control. You can modify, for example, the blur of the ghosts. There are different generators here. So this is the blur of the green ghost. This is the blur of the blue ghosts. And you can modify the intensity. You can modify how many sides have the picture here. So now I can modify the sides, pentagon, hexagon, and octagon. Everything now is completely procedural. I need to add something more to make it more realistic, more dirt inside. If you want to create dust effects, you can modify the scale. You can modify everything here. I have to attach more control because now they are deactivated. But anyway, I just want to show you this. That will be, I hope, a future update of Flared2, and I'm not sure about what to do because this is a very huge change, and the most important thing is that everything here is made on a single plane, so we don't have any issue related to the number of transparent light paths that we should use with cycles, because if I go to cycles, now there are all these old generator. I will isolate only the new generator, that is this one. Those are the things made with this new generator right now, and this is just one plane. And if we go into the camera, where is the camera? Sorry. We go into the camera, we can see that this is just one plane because everything that we see there is made with shaders and not with polygons. And so this is the reason why now I'm working with one transparent, one total, and one sample here. So you just need one sample, no more. And this is crazy and very, very important right now. I think I will integrate it, leaving the old generator where they are. So now I will leave these old ghost generators that we used for make these other ghosts that were not projected into a sphere, and I will leave them there to have a legacy. And I think I will add a new generator that will be this powerful generator that lets you modify the streak, the hoop, everything inside just one generator. Please let me know if you have a question about this, and if you have suggestions. I'll be very happy to listen to everything. Thank you, and see you next. Bye bye.